Hi everyone, it's Cook Step by Step. Today we're making mango chicken with cognac. I got 2 pounds of chicken breast, pound of mango, 1 orange squeezed freshly, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and a shot, 1 ounce of cognac. Heat up some oil on a pan and place the chicken one by one. I slice it up individually so it's easier to plate. I will cook this until it's golden brown. So add some salt and some black pepper. In a separate heated pan, add the lime juice and the freshly squeezed orange. Make sure to keep an eye on the chicken and flip it over when it's time. And now add the mangoes into our orange juice. Cook it on low heat and do not leave it alone. And we're just gonna toss it around to get all the juice inside sucked up by the mango. By now our chicken is ready. It's golden brown and it's ready to serve. I'm gonna put a lid over the mango to let it steam and get all soft and juicy. About 4 minutes later, it's time to add the cognac. You can already see that the mango has gone soft and is shrunk. I place the chicken on a bed of rice and now I will just top it off with the mango. You can also use this recipe for meal prepping and it's a perfect lunch for work. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Bon appetit!